Dear students, welcome to our class on bits and questions in droughts, cloud seeding, disaster management. I had explained to you, and a summary also is uploaded in my channel Agrometeorology, Farmers and Rural Development. Now, as far as your examination point of view is concerned, I would like to enlighten you some bits that most likely to occur. Drought. There are basically three types of droughts: agricultural drought, hydrological drought, meteorological drought. Okay, what is agricultural drought? A bit may come. Drought is a situation in which crops fail to mature because of insufficient soil moisture is known as drought or agricultural drought. That bit may come. Again, as far as the hydrological drought is concerned, hydrological sources like reservoirs, lakes, riverlets, rivers, they dry up, even wells they dry up, so they are known as a hydrological drought. When meteorological drought is prolonged, hydrological drought sets in. Meteorological drought prolongs, hydrological drought sets in. This bit will come. What is a meteorological drought? Meteorological drought is a situation in which there is a deviation from the climatologically expected rainfall. How? When the deviation is, this bit may come, when the deviation is, or deficiency is, or coefficient of variation is, like a bit may come, 26 to 50% less than climatologically expected rainfall, then it is known as moderate drought. 26 to 50% less than the climatological expected rainfall. If it is more than 50%, it is known as severe drought. These bits may come, and possibly these are the things. Any other bit, there is no, most likely at the basics level this course is enough. And what is cloud seeding? Cloud seeding is a phenomenon. It is otherwise a process, is a scientific technique to induce where condensate nuclei are induced into the clouds so that precipitation occurs. So this bit may come possibly in the definition form. Cloud seeding is artificial supply of condensation nuclei. Condensation nuclei means, if it is warm clouds, okay, if it is warm clouds, one technique. If it is cold clouds, another technique is there. Usually cold clouds seeding is done by injecting solid carbon dioxide, which is also called as dry ice. Cold clouds are supplied with solid carbon dioxide or dry ice, sometimes even silver iodide. They are not dangerous to either crops or human beings or anything. That's why cold clouds, these two. For warm clouds, anything, even water itself acts as the condensation nuclei in case of warm clouds. So these are the possible bits in the droughts and cloud seeding. As far as the disaster management is concerned, a big question would come. 12 marks big question would come. Explain in detail about the disaster management and what are the different disasters in agriculture and their management. First one, rainfall, when it is excess, when it is scanty, when it is untimely. Temperature, cold winds, cold waves, heat waves. Then winds, then thunderstorms, dust storms, then defective insulation, then finally tornado. A bit will come in tornado. What is that bit? Usually the bit that would come in the disaster management are two most common bits. Possibly, I am not saying this is sure, possibly 125 mm of rainfall occurs in 2 hours. It is known as heavy rain. Heavy rain. This bit may come when 125 mm rainfall occurs in just 2 hours. It is called as heavy rain. Another possible bit is in tornadoes, the upward spiral movement of the air. Upward spiral movement of the air is the basic phenomena of tornadoes. Tornadoes occurring on the water are known as water spouts. Tornadoes occurring on the water are known as water spouts. This is water. Okay. Tornadoes. Water S-P-O-U-T-S. Water spouts. Tornadoes. Upward spiral movement. So any other bits are there? Possibly no other bits possible. Of course, for controlling the negative effects of high winds or cold winds or dry winds, we go for dash shelter belts or wind belts. These are the possible questions in droughts, cloud seeding and disaster management. Thank you. For further information, please go to my YouTube channel. So there you get further information to enlighten yourself. These are not only the meteorological phenomena, how they influence our crops. That information also you will get it. My YouTube channel is Agrometeorology, Farmers and Rural Development. Thank you very much. May God bless you.